All right, welcome back. My name is Elliot. For those who don't know me, I'm the wellness consultant at Central Jersey Pools. Today we're going to spotlight our second best deal of the holiday season. This right here is a Tropic Seas Makai. It is not one of the best plug and plays out there. It is the best plug and play out there. This is a true 7x7 hot tub, 84 by 84 inches. You can sit up to 6 people. So Vince, if you could just zoom in really quick. I do have a customer in here. His name is Mr. Corona Bear. So Mr. Corona Bear is just checking out the seats, making sure he lines up properly. But I do want to point out some of the attributes and features of this model. You do have a full lay-down lounger with 2 volcano jets at the very end. Vince, if you could just get that. Yep. You got a filter right there. There's 2 entrances in this hot tub, which is great. You have the main entrance, which is right here, or you have the side entrance, which is right there. Purpose of that is, if Mrs. Corona Bear is laying down here, you have the option for that person to not get up while still exiting the hot tub. Then at the top of that, you have 3 or 4 additional bucket seats. You have pillows on the corners. You have the aerators, which customers are pretty much call them air blasters. They do come in with the Java cabinet, which is pictured, or the charcoal gray cabinet. These are time-sensitive offers. We do have them for a limited time. It's pretty much once they're done. So if you have any questions, come on down. You can see me or anybody else that's a wellness consultant here. We're more than happy to help you in any way possible. Once again, Elliot from Central Jersey Pools. See you soon.